It's a bit of a myth that orchids are hard to grow. You just need to choose the right one. Here's a few pointers to get you started. For indoors, the moth orchid is the most common type and will flower for up to 9 months at a time with a variety of flower colours and heights. Or take your pick from the dancing lady, slipper orchid, Thai orchid, or more recently the pansy orchid. For outdoors, Cymbidiums are the hardiest choice. They'll produce up to 30 blooms that last a couple of months and even flower over winter. Now when you first buy your orchid, it'll come in a pot like this. As you can see with this one, the roots are starting to become a little bit crowded, so it's time to get repotted into a slightly bigger pot. Also, you can see that this one here has finished flowering, so this is actually the perfect time to repot because the disruption from the repotting may well mean you don't get flowers the next year. Now this is a really simple process. Choose a pot that's just one size bigger. Most importantly is that the top of this orchid stays level with the top of its new pot as well. So what we're going to do is just backfill the bottom with a little bit of this orchid mix before we get started. So now we're just going to gently take this orchid out of its pot. Pop it in the new one. Now I'm just going to backfill with a little bit more of this orchid mix. It's really good as it's a blend of coarse composted bark which provides open and free drainage essential for orchids. It also has a controlled fertilizer, feeding them for up to 4 months, which promotes healthy foliage and beautiful long-lasting flowers. These little aerial roots that are coming out the top, completely normal, so don't try and cover them up or cut them off or anything like that. Time to give it a little water. Now with these, the trick is get something to sit underneath it because it's going to drain right through, and just water nice and thoroughly. Now just wait for it to stop dripping and then you can put it back into your decorative pot. Orchids grow year-round, flowering during periods with longer daylight hours. Indoors, bright but indirect sunlight is best and above 16 degrees. In the garden, they need a sheltered, frost-free spot. Water weekly in spring and summer and monthly in winter. Around a litre over the sink, then let it drain through. They shouldn't sit in water. Check their roots. Green tips mean they're fine, silver means they could use a drink. They like humid conditions, so spray them occasionally with warm water, or add a layer of pebbles and water to the bottom of the pot to slowly evaporate around them. Use orchid food once a month or a handy drip feeder. After your flowers have all dropped, cut the spike above the top node, and a side stalk with new flowers should grow. When the flower spike dies and there are no nodes left, prune it back to the base and a new one should appear in late winter. On the whole, orchids are pretty pest-free, but keep an eye out for scale and mealybug. Pale leaves might mean too much light, so try moving them to a different spot. Yellow leaves could be down to cold and drafty conditions or just a change of season. And that's it. With a little care, you should be able to enjoy your orchids for years. Make sure you subscribe to the Mitre YouTube channel for more great content or click here to watch more now.